If you refuse to register your solar system or you miss the registration window, you may be prosecuted, issued with hefty fines, and disconnected from your network service provider. If you've made the application and your system has been approved, quite a bit will happen. Your network service provider will replace your electricity meter for your cost. And I believe that cost could range between 2,000 to 12,000 Rand, depending on the municipality. And you will have to pay then for this new meter. This new meter will be able to measure energy purchased and energy sold back to the grid. And I'll tell a bit more about that later. Also, most municipalities, including Eskom, they charge a monthly set fee, I believe somewhere between 200 and 300 Rand per month for the owners of solar systems. But there is some good news though. Most municipalities, or many municipalities, have already published some feed-in tariffs. That feed-in tariff is basically the tariff that the network service provider will pay you for energy that you feed back into the grid. That means periods when you're away from home or on holiday, energy that you sell back to the grid, that energy will then, you'll be credited for that energy, and you'll see that as a credit on your energy bill. We love the earth, it is our planet.